Hi, Jonathan here with BochaSweet, and today I want to tell you guys how to make this delicious recipe that's keto friendly, low carb, and sweetened with BochaSweet. The supreme sugar replacement. This sweetener is amazing and it's going to make this ice cream out of this world. So let's get started. So I have a variety of ingredients right here that I'm going to demonstrate for you guys. I'm going to go one by one. And we're going to be using our Ninja Chef. So to get started, we're going to start off with cacao powder. So we have 1/4 of a cup of cacao powder. So that's going in there. Next we have BochaSweet right here. So we're using 1/4 of a cup and just adding it in just like that. And what's so great about BochaSweet, it's a 0-calorie, 0-glycemic sweetener with no bitter aftertaste, and it works really well with ice cream. Very few alternative sweeteners out there do very well with different types of recipes, and BochaSweet is the cream of the crop. This stuff will blow your mind. It tastes just as good as cane sugar. It's delicious. I love it, and it'll make your ice cream really amazing. So we just added in about 1/4 of a cup there. And next we're gonna add in 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. So we just don't wanna add too much because the consistency can be very liquidy. And since we're using a Ninja Chef blender, we want it to be more of a thicker ice cream consistency. Next we have collagen peptides. This is our line of collagen peptides. This stuff is awesome. It's great for joint health, good for beauty, your skin, your hair, your nails. Those things all benefit by consuming collagen peptide. This is grass-fed, pleasant tasting, and it's hydrolyzed, so it dissolves easily in liquids and water, so it'll make great recipes. So adding the collagen right now into the recipe is going to give you that protein boost. So let's do about 2 scoops. We're going to do like about 2 tablespoons. Alright. Now we have sunflower seed butter. This stuff adds like a nice kick to the ice cream. So we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons. Next up we have vanilla bean powder. So this is ground vanilla bean. It tastes amazing, very potent, and it's not like that vanilla extract that contains additives and that kind of thing. It's 100% vanilla bean. So we're going to do about 2 teaspoons. So we have just a few ingredients remaining. We have, of course, you got to add pink salt, just a little pinch. Okay, so this is a mocha flavor cacao ice cream. So we got our coffee, we already brewed it earlier. So this is about 3 tablespoons, slightly less than 1/4 of a cup of brewed coffee. And we're gonna add that in just like that. Next on our last but not least is the ice. So we have about 1.5 cups of ice. So I'm gonna pull that out right now. Here's the ice just right here. So the Ninja Chef is pretty awesome because it has a setting on here for ice cream, and I believe it's like 45 seconds long. So let's go ahead, blend it up, and see what we got. So here we have our ice cream, guys. So let's take a look. So we got our bowl right here, and just gonna scoop that out. Alright, so here we have our Mocha Cacao Ice Cream, and I'm just going to finish up by adding some cacao nibs on top. But it's not done yet. There's one last thing that we got to add in, and I'll show you guys real quick. And that's our Chocolate Peanut Butter BochaBars. So we're going to sprinkle some of this on. Guys, take a look at this masterpiece right there. It tastes just like ice cream that you'll find at any kind of ice cream shop. And I highly recommend giving this recipe a try. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you turn on your notifications bell to be notified of more content coming your way. And if you want to check out any of the BochaSweet products, the BochaSweet, the Collagen, and our line of BochaBars, go to BochaSweet.com and you can get started right away. The link to all the products are in the description. So there you have it, guys. I'll see you next time.